So today I'll be showing you how to swap or how to change the straps of your Amazfit Bip 3. So before you can change straps, then you need to remove the ones that are there, and all straps should look like these ones. You should be able to see the little piece of metal on each strap, and that's what you use to put the strap on and to remove the strap. Now if I can put it a little closer, you should see that little metal thing is what you need to put your fingernail in there and slide it down. And once you slide it down, you'll be able to release the strap from the watch itself. So what you need to do is dig your fingernail into that thing and then pull it down. Let me try that again. So dig your fingernail in there and then pull it down. And once you pull it down far enough, you should be able to release the strap. And once you release one side, you can just be able to take it out on the other side. And that's how to remove the strap of your Amazfit Bip 3. It's the exact same method for the other strap. And so to put the strap back in, simply start with the other side and align it with the hole. And once it's in there, do the same thing. Dig your nail into that piece of metal and pull it down. And once it's down enough, you can now put the strap back in. Oops, let me try that again. Just like that, until it goes in, and the strap should now be secure. And that's basically how you can swap the straps of your Amazfit Bip 3. Thanks for watching and good luck.